Hello, YouTube RJ. Well, I bought an LCR meter, and I thought maybe we'd crack her open and see what she looks like. I only did I want an LCR meter, but I really need one for some of the things we're going to be doing. So I had been looking at an East Tester 4410, I think it is, 100 kilohertz unit, and I think they were wanting like $370, $380 for that. And I found a post where someone spoke about this one and said that if you open it up, the circuit board actually says the East Tester 4410. It's the same board in it. It's basically the same exact meter, a few colors and buttons a little different on the front, but they really liked it. And so I did a little research, found a couple of YouTubers that bought them. They really liked them. This is the price range of the units I'm going to be able to afford. So let's see what we think of this thing. I'm not really going to do a review. I'm just going to get her open here and just kind of take a look at it. I think it's going to be looks good. I think it's going to be a great tool for the lab. Packed very well. Don't see any damage of any type. Like the look of it, like the feel. Doesn't feel really cheap. Actually looks pretty good. So these handles work. So I mean, you can stand her up pretty tall. Yeah, pull the plastic. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Not a bad looking meter for the price. It was about, I want to say, a little bit more than $100 less than the East Tester. Important to me, it's got USB and COM ports. Let's get it on the right voltage. Always check that. And I see what all they sent. First of all, the power cord. I should just cut this off. I hate these things. And we got a foreign power cord. So that's no adapter. So that's the first thing that's going to go away. So let me see if I can come up with a American extension cord. I know we're universal and everybody's buying from, I got this from Amazon. You'd think they would send the correct plug, but let me grab another power cord. I don't know, I got one here somewhere. Okay. Always nice to have a couple of power cords hanging around. Fits snugly, no problem there. So give me a spot here and get me some power. And hopefully the magic starts. Hey, boots up pretty quick. Screen looks good. I think this is going to be great. Let's see about our probes here. It's supposed to come with Kevlar clips, which looks like it did. They're not extremely long, but I think they're long enough. Spare fuses. Hopefully don't need those. So we've got our Kelvin clips and another tie wrap to get off. Anyway, I've got, voltmeters. I've got a little cheap capacitor tester that's not the most accurate thing in the world, but works. So I really wanted LCR because I needed a good way to read inductance, and I wanted an accurate way to read capacitance. And sometimes working with resistance, I need more accuracy than the typical meter. So it looks like each set is color coded for sense and load. I like the ends. They seem, secure, and they've got a lot of strain relief. So they're attached here to keep them from, I guess, tangling. Trying to make sure that I'm hooking up right here. It looks like yep. There we go. Not bad ends. I'm sure they're not on par with an Agilent or something like that, but for the lab here, they'll work. Supposed to clip them together and do calibration. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to play around with this a little bit, get a little more accustomed to it, and you'll see us using it in future videos. You'll see me using it. I've got big plans for this meter. It's going to be involved in a bunch of data collecting some empirical data testing. So I'm not really going to do a review of it. I don't know how to run it well enough yet, but we'll get to see it in action later on. So thanks for stopping in to catch the video. I know it wasn't much, just an unboxing and looking at the new meter, but we needed the meter for the lab, and now we've got it. So thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you again. Have a great day.